So I'm here to show you my Halo ODST drawings. This is the rookie. Here is Mickey. Here's Dutch. Romeo was too hard to draw because it was a little helmet thing. And here's Buck. And here's a random ODST that I was going to draw but failed at. Now, if you can guess which ODST I'm about to show you is, who the ODST is that I just played, well, just leave a comment saying what you think. Who do you think that ODST is? Oh, and sorry about the lack of detail. You know, this is my first Halo painting, so. Well, if you said Buck, then you were right. What really gave it away was the no backpack and that little thing up there. So yeah.